Want to make more money online? Try these tips. Would you like to make some extra money online? Perhaps you have the desire to making money online full-time. The internet is full of opportunities. However, you need to discern the legitimate opportunities from the bad ones. This video will help you think through your options and make the best choice. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. Consider domain name flipping. Many folks earn money from clever domain names. Like flipping real estate in the real world, buying domain names is an investment. AdSense is a great site for you to make use of. Purchase domains that make use of acronyms. Find some names that you think you can make money off of. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and associated content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. There is no secret in making a lot of money online. You just have to make sure that you are getting reliable information like what you see here. Make a goal for yourself and work toward it. Do not forget what you have learned here as you start your money-making venture on the web. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.